Hello everyone, this is Marlon Carter here out of Dallas, Texas. And what you're looking at here is my picture and my domain, marketwithmarlon.com. And this video is about the real truth about online marketing. Now, for years I've been striving to make an extra income online from my home. And finally, I started making an income with my marketing system that I use. And the truth is about marketing online, you're going to need, for one, a marketing program, a marketing system, where you can put your product or your business opportunity out in the open, out online where people can see it. Now, it's very important that you build a list. A list is built by or from your marketing system. Your marketing system should consist of capture pages, for one, where you can go in and revise them to say what you want them to say. Just say, for instance, you selling, just say model cars from home, and you want it to promote it online. Then you have to create your website, and that website can be speaking on how much you charge for your model cars, or what you're selling as far as model cars, or whatever you're selling from home online. But you need to build a list, and with that list you need messages that will go out continuously to those people or to your list to advertise what you have to sell. If you have a business opportunity and you want people to join your business, you need to bring in subscribers. You need to build a list, a contact list where you can contact that list to let them know about your business opportunity. You need words. You need messages that will follow up with your product or your business opportunity. With that said, the marketing system that I use each and every day, without even hands-on, I could be on my job or in the mall somewhere or driving out of town, but my ads or my business opportunity is still being promoted through my list. Through my marketing system, with the email follow-up letters that are from my marketing system, which are pre-written to promote, first of all, the marketing system, and second, the business opportunity or the products or whatever you're selling. You need to expose that business opportunity or that product. A lot of people say it's easy, but one main thing about making it easy is to bring traffic to whatever you are promoting online. And the way you do that, we have several ways that you can bring traffic to your capture page from your marketing system to start receiving your messages or your pre-written messages that will go out on your behalf. You have to bring traffic to your capture page. Marketing system consists of capture pages and autoresponder, which is messages that will go out on your behalf. I cannot illustrate that enough. You have to have those three things to start building a list, and building a list will cause you to promote your business or product online, whereby you will grow or gain more exposure to whatever you are promoting. The marketing system that I use is none other than Power Lead System. Power Lead System has the capabilities of copying web pages or capture pages that's already laid out for you. You already have the templates that you can use. But if you're a part of the Power Lead System, You can copy those templates and make them your own. You can put videos such as this one on the inside of your capture pages. You can have this video playing or whatever video you make, and at the bottom of that capture page, there's a space there where people can put their email address in and start receiving the messages that will go out from your marketing system to them to promote whatever you're talking about or whatever you're selling or whatever you're promoting as far as business opportunity. I just love working online, and the real truth is you can't sit back and market the way the big boys do and think that you're going to get ahead. You have to have a system to promote your business opportunity or your product. That's the real truth about marketing online. It's not a get rich quick thing. It's not you become a millionaire overnight. I have seen it done, but barely it is ever done. But if you continually promote through a marketing system, if you continually bring leads to that marketing system through your capture pages to receive your messages or your follow messages, then your business will start growing because your list is growing where you can promote your business to. I often heard in the past that the money is in the list. Building a list is very important. This is the real truth about marketing online. You have to have a list. You have to bring traffic to that list. To bring traffic to that list is to use the capture pages to build that list to bring traffic to. There are places that we go to purchase leads, to purchase solo ads. And solo ads are what you would mail out to a person's personal list that they have grown over the years. They have a big list to promote your ads to. And inside of the marketing system I use, you already have an ad swipe. An ad swipe is an ad that you use to send a solo ad by or send out to a solo ad list. This is very important. The truth is you have to use these tools to build your business opportunity or your organization into what you want it to be. The real truth about marketing is you cannot sit back and just think it's going to build itself. You have to, if you bring them in, if you build that list, your business will grow. My name is Marlon Carter. I hope this has helped you a little bit about kind of giving you an insight on how that you will market or should market online. The real truth is it's simple, but you have to put in a little work. I'm Marlon Carter out of Dallas, Texas. Click on the link below. And that's another thing a lot of people try to speak against those very words. Click on the link below. But how am I going to promote the information or more information to you if you don't click on the link below to put your email address in the space of my capture page to receive messages on what I'm doing? I send out reports on how I'm progressing, and you will see how I'm progressing and the results I'm making. I'm making money now online. It's been a long time coming, but I learned the real truth about marketing online, about online marketing. Click on the link below, and I will say it again. Click on the link below and get started. Put in your information, and you'll start receiving information about the marketing system and the traffic sources that I use to build an online a residual income from online at my very home, sweet home. You all have a good day or night. I'm Marlon Carter out of Dallas, Texas. Bye-bye now.